Hi guys, welcome back to Chatterbox. Today I'm going to be doing a mermaid makeup tutorial and I'm going to show you how you can look like a mermaid for a costume party. So first I'm going to be applying some sunscreen because I'm going to be going out after this, but you can also apply some moisturizing cream. So just put it on the open. And a bit more. Yep. Dots on my face. I can't wait until it's finished. I've never done mermaid makeup before. I hope it turns out well. Okay. That's all done. And I'm going to be applying some powder with these new brushes that I've bought, so I'm going to open them. Might need some scissors to do that. So here they are. So there are two ones. One would be for the blush and one will be for the powder, and then this one is for the eyeshadow and this one's to do the wing. Oh, these brushes are very soft, and at the end they have little mermaid tails. This one is for the powder. How pretty they are. This one will be for the blush. This one for the eyeshadow. And one for the wing. So I'm going to be applying some powder first. I also have, if we flick, a mirror to look in. And there's also a little sponge to put powder as well. Yep, this should be good. Okay. Now I'm going to apply some blush. So here, these are some blushes and some blush, and these are the eyeshadows, but I'm going to be using a different eyeshadow palette. Just applying some blush. There's also a mirror. This is also a travel set blush thing. Just look in the mirror. The camera is a bit funny sometimes, so it doesn't show exactly what it really looks like. So that's why I'm looking in the mirror. That's more than enough blush. Now I'm going to apply some eyeshadow from this little palette here. I might use like a pinkish and a purplish color to start. Might start with some pink first. And I might use this thing now, this pinkish purplish color. It's very shimmery. Bit of purple. Yeah, I might do some purple for the wing actually. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. The shimmery pink palette here. Good. I just need a bit more. That's good. Now I'm going to use this angle brush to do the wing. I'll do it in this purple color here. And here it's just, I might add a bit more purple eyeshadow here. Step it in. It'll come out in a wing shape. That's good. Now on the other side. Shimmer. And I have some stick-on earrings here, 30 pairs, so I might stick some, one here and one here. What color should I do? I feel like more like a purple. Maybe these ones, or these, or those. Yeah, I think these ones. Oops, pick one on. And I already have my normal earring here, so just stick it right next to it. think a bit more here. Press it on. Just hold it so it doesn't come off. Pretty. Now, side. Here. So I have two. Looks like 2 earrings now. All good. So I have these new beads. These are rhinestones, so I can put on my face as well. So these are quite cool. Get them. You can even stick these on paper. First. You have to hold these for long. Maybe a silver. It's slippery from the sunscreen I put on. I have to press these extra hard because my face is a bit oily from the cream. I put on pink. Pink matches a bit better. There we go. And the same on the other side. Purple. Where did it start? Right there. Started in the same place. I don't even know if I'll use the heart beads or not. I might put a heart here or the circular ones. Don't know yet. Now I'm gonna apply some lipstick. Dab it. And now I have this Mermaid lip gloss, so I can just dab it on a bit. Since this is lip gloss, it's a bit sticky, so you just take a tiny bit at the top and then just rub, put it, and then just rub it without squeezing it. Just hold it gently and rub it. It doesn't get too sticky and messy. Alright, that should be good. Yes, so now I'm ready to go dive and jump into the sea. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!